Welcome! In front of me I have Realme X7 Max, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So for example, I'm going to organize these icons. You have to click hold and then drag application for another one and then release. As you can see, the folder was created. If you want to add here additional icons, for example Netflix, the game space, and we can also add videos or music. There it is. We can make it very easy. When you tap on it, you can change name of that folder. When you click on marker, it will be set up. When you go back, there it is. You can move that folder like any other icon that you have on your phone. And when you click and hold it, you can remove. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.